लास्ट पिच हुआ था राउंड 1 और देयर वर 18 स्टार्टअप्स जिसमें से हमारे सिलेक्शन हुए हैं एंड लकीली आई गॉट सिलेक्टेड।
हमारी टॉप 10 में सिलेक्शन हो गई है, सेमीफाइनल्स अभी स्टार्ट हो रहे हैं।
I'm glad to say that we got the first position among 18 competitive participants. The competition was very tough, but we did well.
We are living in the age where junk food is more accessible than clean water. I grew up watching my loved ones suffering from lifestyle diseases like diabetes, blood pressure, obesity, and you name it.
The global STEM market value is at $60 billion.
I just saw the previous presentations, so you've actually improved. So I would link it with that way. I understand where she's coming from because last time when we spoke to you as well, that there has to be something unique.
And I was thinking about giving you a 4.5 because I liked how you started with the story and that's how you relate with other people. And I have a storytelling comms background, so I thought it was great.
और हम मार्केट अपॉर्चुनिटी की बात करें तो इट्स अ ग्रोइंग मार्केट विद इन ग्रो विद AGR of 15.10% and it is expected to reach $7 billion by 2030.
What's your revenue model? Because I still have a lot of difficulty understanding how EdTech and all of these have a revenue or a long-term revenue.
Really encouraging, but the only cloud I know about is iCloud. I mean, how are you going to compete with the big fish in the market?
And what do you make from that, apart from those trays and all that? If you can put the picture of your products, because I think I saw some bags as well. So if I use in a layman's language, so it's like a Tharkan ki factory जिसको आपने digitalization की तरफ लेके आए and you made a product. If it's that way?
What are you actually showcasing? This packaging as well or not?
In this crash, the rider simply lost his life due to severe head injuries.
It's very difficult to set it to the B2C segment. Privacy issues ना हो तो recording can be done on the air, so it becomes a really great.
You have a different product now, huh? Digital lockers से हटके. उसके अंदर this is a product now.
This is actually a separate company, but as
ठीक.
कभी-कभी हम थोड़ा literal हो जाते हैं. Let's suppose someone who was very dear to me is no more. ये उसके कंटेंट का चीज़ था, जो मुझे मेरे दिल के बहुत करीब था. हमने ये पीस प्रेजेंट के अंदर सील कर दिया और बना दिया एक हमेशा के लिए यादगार पीस.
Let me take you through the process of how it's made. So first up, we source our tote bags from our trustable vendors, and then we design on them and we paint them. And lastly, we package them with love and send them to our customers.
You know what? It is very challenging at the same time. And when it comes to running a business and when it comes to scalability, you must be facing a lot of challenges.
For people or businesses, but as a business, when you said you procure this from your vendors, so it means you get the ready-made bags, right?
How you pitch it needs to be different.
तो आज सेमीफाइनल्स हैं हमारे पिचिंग लीग का. हम 10 स्टार्टअप सेलेक्ट हुए हैं, इनमें से अब 5 सिलेक्ट होंगे और आगे तो कंपटीशन टफ होते जा रहा है.
बहुत ज़्यादा चेंजेस की ज़रूरत थी. I entirely changed and revamped my pitch deck. इस टाइम में मैंने अपना complete pitch deck change किया. So yeah, in the semi-finals, I was extremely nervous क्योंकि ये pitch deck मेरा first time था.